From your trial site to our labs, the Clinical Sample Collection Kit facilitates the handling of your clinical samples. A personalized laboratory manual ensures proper sample collection and handling. Label designs, pre-approved by you, commonly include protocol identification, subject number, time points, and study date, and are color-coded. Pre-filled labels accelerate the processing and analysis of your samples. The kits ensure we have all the details we need to quickly and efficiently conduct your bioanalysis for a smooth transition from your clinical trial to our labs. Each clinical trial is unique, so our kits are completely customizable to your specific study needs. These kits allow for the collection, storage, and shipment of different matrices, such as plasma, urine, serum, whole blood, and tissue. We'll even include supporting documents like temperature logs and requisition and inventory forms. Each kit comes complete with shipping supplies. This was just a preview of what your clinical sample collection kit could look like. Contact us to start building your own custom kit.